students. I am Professor H.K. Paliwal, Director of the Institute. I have just removed my mask as I am in my office, but you should take all precautions as per the COVID-19 protocol whenever you are away from home. So I welcome you all to IT family on behalf of the Institute and my own behalf. IT was established in 1984, starting with just 3 BTech programs with total intake of 80 students per year. Presently, the student intake is 705 and Institute offers MBA, MCA, 8 BTech and 6 MTech programs to the students. Several BTech programs of the Institute have received NBA accreditation last year. The Institute had been granted academic autonomy by the UGC, University Grants Commission, and has applied for renewal of the academic autonomy to UGC. The Institute is also in the process of applying for NAC and NIRF in this session. The Institute is having highly qualified faculty members with background of IITs and central universities and institutes of higher learning, skilled supporting staff and committed officers. Since its inception, the Institute is getting high rank students from admission bodies like UPSEE. This year also, the seats offered by the Institute were most sought during the counseling of UPSEE conducted by AKTU. Institute has been continuously adding up new infrastructure in the form of new departmental buildings, hostels, laboratories, etc. Institute already has its own auditorium with a seating capacity of 800, an indoor stadium cum multi-purpose hall with facilities of badminton, squash, billiards and other common indoor games is under construction and likely to be completed within 6 months. Similarly, an outdoor stadium having cricket and football grounds with stands accommodating around 1,000 spectators is also under construction to be completed within 6 months. The placement cell of the Institute is looking after the internship, training and placement of the students. So, the willing students of the Institute are getting placed in industry through campus placement drives offered through our training and placement cell. A very large number of students are doing well in GATE, GRE, GMAT and CAT examinations and ultimately bringing laurel to their family and the Institute. Many students get offers in PSUs on the basis of their GATE score. Some of the students prefer to join master's program or join doctoral programs at various institutes of national and international importance such as IIMs, IISc Bangalore, IITs and various foreign universities. The alumni of IT are doing well and many are presently placed at top level in various industries and holding important positions in the government. IT is supporting its students for their online certification courses offered by NPTEL, which is having online courses prepared by professors of various IITs, by reimbursing the registration fee to the students. So the details about the academic activities will be told to you by the Dean Academics after me. So I once again request you to the institute and to the induction program which is starting today. Hope you all will get benefited through the induction program. Thank you.